guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is another sheet mask and eye mask review. So today I'm going to be testing out these, and these are the Garnier Skin Active 2 Million Probiotic Fractions Repairing Sheet Mask and the Repairing Eye Sheet Mask. So I've got two today, an eye and a sheet mask. I'm going to test them both at the same time. These are for glowing, healthy skin. So if you have like dry skin, this is supposed to repair the skin barrier and restore the moisture, and the eye one is to also repair the skin barrier and refresh tired eyes. So yeah, they both take 15 minutes to put on. So it says, do you have dull, dry and tired looking skin? This mask contains 2 million probiotic fractions known for their repairing properties. Instantly, skin feels intensely hydrated and soothed, and after 4 weeks your skin feels repaired, looks healthier and has a radiant glow. So that's what the mask says. And then the eye one says, this mask contains 500,000 probiotic fractions known for their repairing properties. The eye area looks illuminated and bags look significantly less visible. After 4 weeks the eye contour looks repaired and feels healthier. So I'm going to try and put them on at the same time. I do have a clean face. By the way, I've just got out of the shower, so my hair is a bit wet. I did start drying over the hairdryer, but I got too hot, so I gave up. So yeah, let's pop these on. Okay, now I'm going to try and fit the eye ones, like just underneath if I can. I think I should put the eyes ones on first, to be honest. Okay, so I'm going to leave those on for 15 minutes. Okay, so it's been around about 15 minutes now wearing the masks, so I'm going to take them off. And I'm just going to massage in the excess. And I'm also going to take some away the excess with a cotton pad, just a little bit. Okay, so I've actually had a few people commenting on my videos saying that by using a cotton pad, I'm actually taking away all the moisture that I've just put on my face. It actually says to wipe away the excess with a cotton pad on the packaging. So I haven't made it up, guys. They tell you to do it if it's too much. So just to let you know. Okay, so I definitely feel instantly refreshed and instantly hydrated. My skin feels super soft, super smooth. It feels glowy. It feels clean, fresh, super hydrated and moisturized. So I'm really impressed with that. My skin actually looks flawless right now, so that's amazing. The under eyes, I can't really tell much because they kind of look the same to me, so I'm not sure about the eye mask. Maybe it's like something you need to be using like once a week for like 4 weeks, which I'm not going to do. But to me, the eye mask doesn't look any different, so I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure that's worth the money, but the face mask has definitely made a difference on my skin. My skin looks glowy and refreshed, so that's really good. And these face masks, if you watch my channel, you know that I love the Garnier face masks. They're my favorite. They're around about £3.99 per one, so super affordable. I think I've tried every single one. Whenever a new one comes out, or if I see one that I haven't tried, I always pick it up to try because I just love these masks and I keep repurchasing them to use over and over again, so they must be good. So yeah, that's my review of the 2 million probiotic fractions repairing eye and sheet masks. I hope that this was helpful if you are looking to buy some new sheet masks or eye masks. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!